In our forging video, I'm going to replicate an armor hammer that was featured on Adam Savage YouTube channel. I'm going to use this old hammerhead blank to forge the armor riveting hammer. And I'll be able to use these special tongs to lock them into place. Yeah. Okay. Okay, the reason I'm using a coke forge instead of the propane is I need that extra bit of heat, almost like a burning heat, to move this heavier material and this high carbon tool steel. Okay, I'm using this flux here to forge weld the very end of this so there aren't any fractures and I can get a good solid end. The reason I'm using the coke forge opposed to propane is I get that extra fine heat, and I figure I lose 200 degrees by the time I get it to that anvil, and the anvil is cold, so I want the maximum forge heat. this is where we're at. Forge this end to a taper, and I'm going to drill a hole down through here and then dome this head. I'll finish up this hammer, and then in the next video we'll discuss how it's being used for armor. Let me try that again. I'll finish up this hammer.